Hello guys, welcome back to a Pentesters Cloud. Today we're going to solve another tutorial name called a parameter spider. So what is this a parameter spider? It's like a mining URLs from the dark corners of web archives for bug bounty, hunting, fuzzing, and further probing. So parameter spider allows you to fetch a URL related to any domain or a list of domains from Wayback archives. It filters out a boring URLs, allowing you to focus on one that matters of the most. Now, we would like to try to install this a parameter spider. Let's come back here. So this is a parameter spider. Let's just clone the repository. Come back here. We just type it as a git clone and paste the repository. So now we would like to type here as a parameter spider. I just type plus minus here. Now just type here as pip install. Now it will try to install the parameter spider. Now it was successfully installed. Now you can look here as a parameter spider. Now I have got it here as a parameter spider. Where you have look here a parameter spider. Now you can utilize here. I would like to try here. I would like to try here a parameter spider. Domain. Now just here as HTTP test PHP dot web.com. So we would like to try here. Now it will try to test all the parameters in this targeted website. Their address for parameter spider is getting okay. Now we would like to try to clear this. So now I would like to try to a test. Let me just clear as a x.rp. So it may take a lengthy time process. Now just put here, like go here. Yes, and so it needs to be installed the properly. Then not it will go a further way. We would like to look this. I would like to put first as a testing website. So it may take more and lengthy time process for processing this one. So while it will take a lengthy time process to process this one, but it will not print the results. Where you can see here 842 URLs are found and clean. Once you look this one, come back. It may take more lengthy time process. Now, but we would like to look here as here. We didn't save any results here in this. Now we are just streaming just one targeted website. Now we would like to try to do here. I would like to here as a clear. Now, in this a parameter spider, now I went on my targeted domain. Now, I want to put a proxies like a payload to foods, a placeholder like I can put as I can put here as uh, h1 is here. Alright, so let me just compose this h1. Now you can look here. This will also possible to put the placeholder. It will automatically select where to input the payload in the targeted URL. That's it. So while you take for a big domains, it will take more lengthy time process. Let's we can try here. Uh, where for of this targeted URLs, but this is we need to maintain this user with a parameter no such file or a directory for the results. So if we have a file as a directory, that will be automatically will place here. So we would like to try with the ChatGPT. So what is the results we can get? Okay, let's sometimes we would like to utilize this ChatGPT. Let I would like to copy this entirely. Let's just here. Okay, so I need to make a directory for the results in this. Uh, that's it. So we don't have a directory. That's it. Uh, Option one, we would like to utilize this as a we would like to utilize this entirely a test.php. It's an unrecognized argument. Okay, we would like to make a output folder as a result. Now let's we just try to clear here. Then we would like to try here. Come back. Let's try. Okay. Now we just try now. Let's what is the results we can get from here? Now we have got it here. Results with the test .php with oneweb.com. Now we just go here as a results.php results. Now just try plus minus a. Now I would like to try to open with the mousepad test.php.web.txt, where you can look here. Your payload is automatically placed. That's it. So while you are studying is also very easy to understand this type of exploits. Now let's come back. So where you can get here a 77. Let's we would like to try to just copy, come back here in this place. Let's just paste. Where it is directly printing here. Okay. Otherwise, if you put something that will be displayed here in the search bar. Okay. It's showing with a command. Okay. If you have a payloads for the right thing, you can try to suggest with that also. Now let me just try. Wait. Now I want to try with some targeted domains. Okay. Let me as clear as a nano domains.txt. Now I just clear as https s.php.monoweb.com. I would like to go with only HTTP monoweb.com. Now I would like to go with some targeted domains. So let me, I can write here. Now I have a set of targeted domains. Now I would like to try here as ls minus f. Oh, sorry. I would like to move this one to move a domains.txt to or pentesting but one thing ParamSpider. That's it. I just try plus minus f. Let's go here. Come back. Just try plus minus f. Where I have here a domains.txt. ParamSpider. You just try here as again minus minus help. List containing with the domain names. Okay. And now let's me just I would like to go for a list the targeted domains.txt. Let's we would like to try here the first one. We can look here what is the results we can get. So this you can't able to get because it will take a more and lengthy time process. Okay, I have added here fetching URLs from paxful.com. We would like to look here how many it will be fetch, and we can see the results. So it may also take more and lengthy time process that we can also look here as in the results tab. Where once this is done, we will get the results here. Now, I would like to streamline. You can look here where you have found the targeted URLs. You need to get the results. That's it here. The results in paxful.com. You can look here, just copy, come back here. Now you just try plus minus here, get the paxful.com.txt, where you can look here plenty of URLs. You can exploit these URLs automatically. Okay, where you can look here, Fuzzing, all these things, it's possible here. You can look here. Now, after clean, so this will be saved of your own targeted domain. Okay, that's it here. So that's it here. So this is how you can do the ParamSpider. So you try it your own, guys. Thank you guys for watching and keep smiling.